All right, so we are back with our social studies notebook. You read Mama for Mayor, and now we're going to do a little graphic organizer in our notebook to help us remember the different services that local governments provide us. And I want you to remember that schools and families and communities all have rules, and our state has rules too, and they're each our own rules. Like, you have different rules at home than you do at school for the most part. And like I said, different states have different rules too, because some states some rules don't need to be in other states because the situation doesn't exist for that rule to exist. And I know that sounds super confusing. Basically, different states have different rules. There are some rules that are the same in each state, but some states also have different rules too. And each government provides different types of services, and it makes different laws. So, for example, our local government provides local parks and local laws like don't burn your trash or all dogs need to be on a leash, whereas state governments provide state parks and make statewide rules like speed limits and seat belts. So what we're going to do is we're going to write some of our local government services. So I just have the first page of my notebook, and kind of in the center, I'm going to write local government services. If you need to pause the video at any time, you can go ahead and do that, okay? And I'm going to put a circle. You can put a circle or a box around it. It doesn't matter. Okay. So one of the services that our government provides, our local government provides, is garbage pickup. You don't have to have this at your house, but it is provided by our local government. Okay? We also have parks provided by our local government, like the Wesco Park. Oh, I'm going to put a circle around each of these things too, so I know that it goes there. Okay? Again, if I'm writing too fast or going too fast, you can always pause the video as well. Okay? Another thing that our local government provides is schools. You guys are able to come to school. Right now we're learning from home, but the services are still provided to you by our local governments. I'm going to make this one a little bit taller so it goes over school. We also have police and fire departments to help us when we need help. Department is a big word. Department. Okay. We have two more. We also have local libraries. Our Jackson District Library is our local library, and we get the funding for that from the local government. And then road repair. If you drove through Brooklyn recently, they were tearing up the road, putting in new curbs, putting in some new sidewalks, and doing all sorts of things that I don't really know all of that they were doing. But our local road repair is funded by the local government too. It's funded from other places too, but the local government provides that service. So this is our graphic organizer for our local government services. On Thursday, we're going to watch another video, talk a little bit about the different services that the departments offer us and provide for us. And then we will continue talking about local governments and communities. Thanks for hanging out today, guys. Have a good one.